Hi guys, Ben here from Cult Motorcycles. Here we have a very special bit of kit. This is a BMW HP2 Sport. Basically the flagship of the BMW Boxers. The concept was, it was an endurance racer, turned into a road bike, and it's kept many of the race features. It's got the World Superbike dash, it's got the Ohlins front and rear, hell of a lot of carbon, structural carbon seat unit, no metal work in there at all. Loads of absolutely gorgeous machine parts. The bike's completely factory standard. This is how they came. And condition is pretty flawless. There's one tiny chip on the mudguard that you can see down there, which could put a bit of touch up on and no one would know, but it's never had any touch up. It really is in fantastic condition throughout. Normally I walk around and point out little bits and bobs, but bar that tiny chip on the mudguard, it's pretty exceptional. No, I say it's completely factory standard. It has had a carbon hugger and final drive cover fitted, but they can be whipped off if you want. There's not a mark on the seat unit, no boot marks. Wheel paint is perfect, front and back. All the carbon is perfect. Everywhere you look, everything is just quality. Hopefully that gives you a good idea of the condition. There we go, 6,624 miles. This is an ABS bike. That was an optional extra when it was new, and it can be turned off completely, which is a bonus. So not many of them were ABS bikes because it was a couple of £1,000 optional extra. So there you have it, absolutely gorgeous bit of kit, really nice and clean. If you've got any questions on it, feel free to give us a shout.